that, no, I'm sorry, I don't want to get teary. Believe that what you want really can happen. Hi guys, my name is Lovey. Welcome back to My Imagine, and if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel, girl. Don't forget to subscribe because this is where you want to be, period. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Today we're going to be talking about the top manifestation tips. These tips are in no specific order. These are These are just the top tips that I feel like really has helped me manifest some of the things that I wanted. Okay, so tip number one is every morning when you wake up, I want you guys to listen to something positive for about 5 to 20 minutes a day, and this is going to help train your brain to allow you to start manifesting the things that you want. Okay, every day for about 5 to 20 minutes. Don't get on your phone, don't text nobody, don't get on social media, nothing. Don't do none of that. Okay, number two is pretty much just being aware of your feelings, being aware of your emotions. If you're feeling happy, if you're feeling negative, and when you're feeling that way, if you are feeling negative, and this mostly applies to when you're feeling negative, is to actually change that negative thought into a positive thought. So how you do that is by thinking about something that makes you happy. So for example, like right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm going through a situation that is negative. However, I'm going to focus on something that makes me happy, which I'm thinking about something that makes me happy right now, which is my daughter. She makes me very happy. So I'm thinking about that, and I'm going to focus on that, and that's going to make me smile, and everything is going to work out. Things are always working out for me. Tip number 3, practice gratitude. Be grateful for what you have to attract more. I 1000% agree with that. Yes, practice gratitude. When you are grateful for the things that you have in your life now, it allows you to attract more things that you want. It basically tells the universe, or tell God, hey universe, send things to me that I want, because I'm already grateful for what I have and where I'm at in my life now. Okay, so number 3. Tip number 4 is scripting / journaling. And the thing about scripting and journaling is that you want to act like you already have that item. You want to act like it's yours, right? You want to speak in present tense. So for example, when you're scripting, you would say, like, for example, I have a situation that I'm going through right now, and I'm going to say, thank you, universe, for this situation working out. X, Y, and Z. Okay, so that's perfect. Number 5 is using emotions. Actually put yourself in that emotion and how it would feel. So that's big, right? When you are manifesting things, one of the things you want to do is use your emotions. Actually put yourself how you would feel if you would actually be able to get what you want. So for example, let's say you want a brand new apartment. One of the things you would do, you would go around and act like you already have this apartment. You're gonna maybe buy furniture for this apartment, maybe go buy a bed before you even get the apartment. These are things you do which will allow you to manifest more of these things. Okay, number 6, creating a vision board, right? Make an updated vision board if you already have one. If you don't have an updated vision board, I suggest that you make a vision board. It's great. It's something that you can look at every day. So when I make my vision boards, I put it in a place where I can see it every day or every morning I wake up. Okay. 7, buy something or do something that will make your goal real. Let's say, for example, you want that new apartment or you want that new car. What you would do before you actually get your apartment is that you would go buy a bed, or something that you would keep in your apartment, or maybe turn on your utility bill for the apartment that you're going to live in. I know that sounds crazy, but it really does work. Okay, number 7 is repetition, which means repeating all of these tips on a daily basis, from 1 through all the way up to number 8, right? So that's repetition. That helps. That actually is training your brain to automatically think a certain way, behave a certain way, to start attracting all the things you want in your life. Okay? Tip number 9, get uncomfortable and put yourself in places that you can't imagine. So I absolutely agree with that. Get uncomfortable. A lot of times we get so comfortable with the life that we live, we're too afraid to do things. Do that thing that you're afraid of. It's going to allow you not only to manifest things that you want, but if you dream big, you can get anything you want. You gotta dream big. Why not? Why dream small? You know what I'm saying? Why not dream big? Number 10, go after what you want. There's no faith without action. Yes, go after what you want. As we were just talking about, going after your big dreams and not letting fear get in your way. Go after the things you want. Going after things you want means actually applying these strategies that I'm giving you guys and actually using it for the goals. Or if you want to go buy a dream car, you actually have to go look at it. If you want to get an apartment, you actually have to apply to it, right? So there's no faith without action. So I 100% agree that I feel like a lot of people get it confused with the law of attraction, where they feel like, oh, people get confused to the point where they feel like, oh, I can't, what am I thinking about? Oh, people get confused, but they think the law of attraction is just magic pill. Like, yeah, I want some money, it's just going to fall out the sky. No, the universe will put people, places, and things to get you what it is that you need. But you do have to actually apply to get the apartment. You can't just get it without applying, okay? So that is tip number 11. Tip number 12 is trust your intuition. I 1000% agree with this. Trusting your intuition is big. What is spirit telling you, right? Because that is your higher self talking. That's God talking. That's the universe talking to you. So trust your intuition, because your intuition is going to lead you down the path that you're supposed to be. Tip number 13, spirit numbers and seeing repeated signs. So I feel like when you see spirit numbers, or you keep seeing a certain color, you keep hearing a certain word, or the same thing keeps happening that's positive, or you just notice something rare, that's a sign to tell you that you are on track to receiving your goal, right? That's telling you to keep going, don't stop. So if you want to give up, this video right here is to tell you, don't give up. Keep going after your dreams. Keep smiling like I'm smiling. Like I'm going through a situation right now, but that situation does not exist in me, right? Because what I want, I already have it. I already have it, and I can see it in my head, okay? 14, being in your vortex where all your dreams and goals are. So the vortex is actually a place where your dreams and your goals are just there waiting for you. They're just waiting for you to be in the receiving mode and the allowing mode to allow yourself to receive these goals. But you have to believe that these goals are there first for you to receive it, right? So knowing that there is a vortex, there's a vortex out there that exists that is holding all the things that you want, is just waiting on you, not you waiting on it, okay? And tip number 15, be in the receiving mode. I feel like being in the receiving mode, that right there is very big, right? You want to be in the mode of allowing yourself to receive the manifestations you want, or allowing people or things or places, or allowing situations or ideas to come to you so it can allow you to get to the place that you want to be. Okay, so that is tip number 15. Tip number 16, of course, ask the universe or God. You have to ask for what you want, guys. Like, you can't just be in your head like, oh yeah, just send it to me. No, you gotta say, thank you, universe, for blessing me with my new apartment. Thank you, universe, for being home, you know, with me right now. You know, I'm going through this, but I will not give up on my YouTube. I will not give up on my career, because I'm fighting for my family and I'm fighting for my life. So this is very big for me to still, for you guys to see that. And I'm sorry, I don't want to get teary. For you guys to see that this is real, right? Like, this is real for me. Like, I'm actually going through a real situation. I can't disclose that right now, but I'm going through a real situation, and I'm manifesting what I want in my head. I'm feeling like if I was to actually get that, how I would feel. So it's like, I already have it. I already have it, and I'm not worried. I was worried earlier. I was stressing myself out, but I'm not going to do that anymore, because why? Things are always working for me, and I 1000% also believe that things are always working for you as well. Okay, and then the last one, tip number 17, is of course believe. Believe that it really can happen. Believe that what you want really can happen. And these are my top, so these pretty much are my top manifestation tips. Go ahead and let me know what you guys think in the comments. I would really appreciate it. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Girl, don't leave me hanging. Like I said, if you are into the law of attraction and you are into just manifestation and you're just a spiritual person or you're a godly person, doesn't matter. This video is for you, right? And I'm here to tell you that things are always working out, even when it feels like it's not working out. And I am an example of that right now, because I'm dealing with something right now in my life, but I really do honestly believe that it has worked out and it will work itself out, right? All right, you guys, and my time is almost up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Okay? Your girl is gonna see you in the next video. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
All right, you guys. So I just wanted to do a quick little story time. So I was dealing with something on this specific day that was very stressful for me. I hope you guys can hear me. I was dealing with something that I was stressing myself out, and I was like, there's no way out of this. But I just decided in that moment of me dealing with that exact situation to just trust my intuition, trust the law of attraction, trust what I wanted to come through. And literally an hour later, exactly what I wanted came through. I got a call about an hour later, and honestly, I didn't even feel like fully recording this video because I was dealing with so much at the time. But I'm here to tell you that that manifestation did come through right away after me doing this video. So I'm here to say just keep practicing the law of attraction. When you're feeling negative and you're going through something and you feel like crying and you feel like your world is falling apart, just focus on what it is that you want. Focus on something that makes you happy and just trust that everything is going to work out because things are always working out for you. Love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.